Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to try a technique that I've only seen one video on, so I'm not sure if we'll be able to do it properly. But we're taking powders and we're going to do a swirl, like a tie-dye effect. And I have picked the Neon collection from Revel and Brilliance as the base. And it's also a glow, so it should make the whole mani glow. And I plan on doing these to my nails tomorrow, so we're kind of doing a dry run right now on a Swatch stick. So you put that one out, maybe go across there instead. And then we're going to take a small scoop of each color. I guess I should wipe my thing in between so I don't contaminate colors. That might be a good alone for Halloween. I'm putting it in this little French dip case so I can save the powder that's left to do them tomorrow.
Laundry room motion.
I really have no order I'm putting them in, just kind of making it so it's not like a rainbow effect, I guess, because they might blend together. And this will be our last color, which I think we're going to put out here. Okay. Let's see how this works. I probably should use something a little bit more thin to blend it. Of a precision tool. All right, let's see that's how that works out.
Laundry room motion.
Put my base on my Swatch stick, my dip base.
Garage backdoor motion.
And might not be as easy to dip this as it would be your finger. Okay, that might work. Give that a second to dry. Going for another coat. Okay. Probably have to add more color as you go. Okay, so put this off to the side. I'll probably add more color when I actually do my nails. Let's activate that. Running out of activator, it looks like. Give that a couple minutes to dry. And then we'll put a gel top coat on it. Wipe off the excess if there is any. Get our first coat. Stick the lamp. So again, we're using Brilliance as a base, which I think with my real nails, I'm going to do 2 full coats of Brilliance and then swirl them with all these colors. 2 small coats and then 2 top coats.
Garage backdoor motion.
We have jelly sandals,
Laundry room motion.
banana clip, charm necklace, get slimed, leg warmers, and slap bracelet. So I get those out of the way. Okay, let's get her second coat. She's not looking too bad so far. All right, stick her in the lamp again. Ah, I dropped it upside down. Let me fix that real quick. It hit the paper towel over here. We're gonna do it for 90 seconds. This Muldoon's lamp that I have says it's a 48 watt, but doesn't work as well as my 36 watt over here. So not sure what's up with that. All the lights are still working on it though. Some of the reviews say that the light stopped working after a couple uses. So maybe mine will still continue to work, but just take longer to cure. We'll see. Okay. I think I like how the colors were done on it. So doing this swatch, I'll remember how I did the color and put it back in to lay the finger down in. It's almost done. Okay, and it looks like it's done. That is going to be a fun mani. Very 80s vibe. The colors, the tie-dye. It reminds me of those that clothing that we had in the 80s that if you touched it changed colors or was the heat thermal. Yeah, that's gonna be really pretty. I'm gonna have fun with that tomorrow. All right, well, subscribe, like, helps the algorithm, and be able to see me starting to learn new techniques and how to do nail art. All right, see you later.